As a chicken keeper, I have officially reached my least favorite season of the year, which is molting season. I have a bunch of bald hens running around and a lot of feathers everywhere. Hey guys, I'm Audrey, and I help passion-driven people trailblaze their way to a more self-sufficient life, filled with happiness, plants, and chickens. If you've had chickens for more than a season, I'm sure you've experienced that day when you walked out to your coop and saw a bunch of bald hens running around and feathers everywhere. And I'm sure your first thoughts were just like mine. You look around and you wonder, did something get in here and attack my chickens? What could have happened? But then you realize it's the end of summer, the start of fall, and it's just molting season. But I'm sure, just like all chicken keepers, you're always going to be worried. Every time this year, I just cringe. I hate seeing all the feathers everywhere, and I hate seeing my bald hens. But I talk myself down because I know it's just molting season. But I always, every year, want to do everything I possibly can to help my hens through this time, because it's not only stressful for me watching them, but it's actually really stressful for them growing in all these new feathers and running around bald. It's not really, the best time for them. So this last year, I remember talking to a friend of mine, and he goes all out with his chickens. He hand mixes all of his feed, all these different grains and corns and seeds and proteins, and he really goes above and beyond. I don't go that far, but I love talking to him about chickens. And one of the things he mentioned to me was black oiled sunflower seeds. And up until that point, I had never been feeding those to my chickens. And now I will never not be feeding them to my chickens. I actually feed them year round, but I especially feed them during molting season. I got this big bag, and I got it from the feed store, but you can pretty much get them at any local feed store or even online, but they are super high in protein and the chickens absolutely love them. So by feeding these black oiled sunflower seeds, you're gonna give the chickens that additional protein they need, and then the oil that's in those sunflower seeds also helps their feathers grow back in shiny. And so I've definitely seen a difference in the feathers that grow back and how healthy they look. But my one piece of advice is do not mix the sunflower seeds in with your chicken feed. I did this the first time, and I did half and half. And then I came out the next day and there was chicken feed absolutely everywhere. The chickens loved the seeds so much, so they scratched through all the feed to get to the sunflower seeds, but then didn't eat the food. So all that food just kind of went to waste. So now I just come out and I feed a couple handfuls a day, or sometimes I'll set a container to the side and just fill it with sunflower seeds so they can eat a few extra, especially during this time. But other than just feeding high protein treats during molting season, there are things we could be doing all year long to keep our chickens as healthy as possible. And so I've created this playlist of videos right here with what I believe are the most important parts to chicken keeping, such as having a dust bath, providing grit, providing oyster shell, and a few other really important topics. So join me there to keep learning so you can have the healthiest flock of chickens possible.